In this video, we're going to review Dorik, the no-code website building platform for creating beautiful single page, that's pretty important, websites without code. All right, let's click on Try Now. Okay, now this is a very critical point, as I've made this mistake a few times. Make sure you sign up or log in. Do not click any of these things and start working on them. It's a super easy process. There's no actually filling out anything unless you're not logged into Google or something. But once you're logged in, this is how you want to do it. Same page, but if you do it the other way, all your work will be instantly overwritten as soon as you log in or sign up. Okay, so at the beginning, you've got a few different beautiful templates, and they are quite beautiful for all different kinds of projects that you'd possibly want to do. But for this example, I'm just going to stick with SaaS landing page number 3. Select, head with straight into the editor. Now, in order to edit something, you've got to click on it, and then you've got to click the edit button, and then it brings up your ability to edit the text here. So to make it quick, I'm just going to copy all the stuff from my original homepage. Yep, it worked. And edit this one. Go grab this code text and paste it here. And now we want to change the button. So we do the same thing, edit button, change this to learn more. If we scroll down, what else can we do? We can change the little arrow and give it an icon. Can click here to change it to the pointy one, but that's more something that you would do on a video. Get rid of it. You can do a search, arrow. Okay, let's stick it back to the original one. And we also want to change the link, which is very important when you are trying to get people to actually do something. Okay, same tab, yep. We can do a new window by clicking this button, but we don't need to do that this time. Okay, next, change this one, getting started. Change the link on that one as well. Yeah, this is quite an easy design or easy interface. Now we want to add this image to here. So we'll edit and then we'll delete the original one, and we have to upload a new image. Now, where have I got that saved? No log cover. And voila. But we've got the issue where there's a gap here, and I also want to add a shadow to it, because it's got a very white outline. It blends too well into the existing. So let's go to the styling. And the first thing we want to do is add a margin. Let's go 40. Then we want to give it a border, not a border, we want to get a rounded edge border. And for this we'll make it 10. And we'll lock it all so they're all the same. That just gives it a bit of rounding there, which next problem is you can't see it. So we'll add an outer shadow. We want to give it an offset, just to go 4. You can see it's starting to get a bit of a shadow, but it's too dark and it's not very blurry. So we'll give it a radius. Not too big, but just big enough. Yep, that works for me. That is too dark. So we're going to change the color until it is, yeah, it's perfect. There you go. We've just taken a boring old image and made it beautiful in a very short period of time. So far I'm very much liking Dorik, the no-code web editor. Okay, so now we've got just like a giant bunch of stuff here. So if you were to really go and use this as a web page, you'd have to go and delete or edit a lot of the stuff. Let's see how easy it would be to actually delete. Say, yeah, the reason they leave them here is so that you can, okay, there you go, just delete like that. Blip. And blip. It's actually quite fun. You delete this one. Blip. Yeah. Looks like there's an invisible one just here. If you click on it, yep, it does. Click on it and blip. Okay, so getting rid of all that stuff wouldn't be too difficult either. Now let's see if we can add a name next to the logo. That'd be nice. Let's see. This is where it becomes a little bit less intuitive. So click on here. I'm guessing it's like this. Add a section. No, definitely don't want to add a section. Add a row. Nope. Add. What do we do? Here's where you change the name. So we'll change this to Nocode log. And yeah, I could type the name, but I'm not going to. So we still have to work out how to add a new element. Let's try this. A headline. Ooh, looks like we've broken some stuff. Well, at least we've added it, so we'll actually add the name. Nocode log. As you can see here, it doesn't fit very well. So let's see if we can use the margins to move it into place. So we'll move the margin. Yep. If we change that to 0, and then looks like we're going to be doing lots of negativing. Okay, we'll go negative 40, more than that, 50, 60. Yeah, that's actually looking pretty good. Now let's make the text a bit smaller, because that is a bit too big. It takes attention away from the headline. So if we go text styles, we should, whoa, there we go. Yeah, I think that's about perfect. All right, now we're ready to publish. Publish. Project name, Nocode log, and we'll go Nocode at Dorik. Publish site. Okay, now it's given us a URL. Let's have a look and see how did we go. And voila, you now have everything that we just modified all ready to go. And if we click on that link, it takes it straight to the blog. So what do I think of Dorik? I think if you just need a quick single page website, this is one of the greatest tools that I've ever used. I don't know how else you'd create something this good looking this quickly. So it gets my recommendation.